so excited to see your new dog.
Oh, there she is.
Whoa. Okay.
Foxy, were you flirting on her?
Oh, that stupid moron.
Curious butterflies.
You mean bread butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
New dog drama. Hey novelings, welcome back to my channel. So today I think this is just gonna be a normal video. So yeah, let's just do some stuff. And yeah. Whoa, what are you all doing here?
We just wanted to find out the good news.
What good news?
Of the new dog you were talking about on your YouTube post.
What? New dog? I've got a fear of dogs though. Yeah, I think I know that, Papty. I think you can go now.
Yeah, you're right. I do have a fear of dogs. But guys, please.
Okay.
We need to see the new dog.
Well, I think I've already seen it on your post, haven't I, Nova? Oh yes, you have. So you can go now.
Okay, bye. Thanks, Dad.
Okay, so it's just you guys. Yes, we're so excited to see your new dog. Yeah. And yeah. Okay, guys, just follow me.
Oh wait, there she is.
Oh my God, is that the new dog?
Yeah, I think so.
Let's see. Oh my gosh, the new dog is called Abba.
Oh, that's a cute name. That's so sweet.
I know, hello. Anywho, you guys can just have the dog.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Aw, I was gonna play with the dog. Hey, Lana, this is the new dog.
Oh my gosh, it slays.
That dog was bigger than I thought. Whoa. Okay. Chill, girl, chill. Oh. Yeah, she does that sometimes. Okay. I need to get used to her. I'll be right back, guys.
Hey, so it's just us, right?
Yeah, I wonder when they're coming back. Ilana, why are you nearly as tall as us?
I don't know. I really don't know. I think it's like I'm the same size as no, just told me in the next video that the club crew is gonna see the new dog.
Oh, well, we never thought of that, Ilana. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome, Foxy.
Me and Roxy will just get ready on the thumbnail right away.
Yep, toodles. Foxy, were you flirting on her?
No. I'm gonna do the thumbnail now.
Ah, that stupid moron.
Oh my God. Hey, what's wrong with Roxy?
Foxy was flirting on
What's going on?
Oh, go away, Lana!
Oh, okay. Hey Nova, what's wrong with Roxy? I'll tell you. So basically, you went to see Foxy and Roxy, and you were talking to Foxy, and Roxy just felt a little bit left out, like I do. Oh, okay, I'll apologize to her.
Meanwhile, on nerdy shenanigans.
Also, go on, Papty, you're still in this video, don't worry.
Should we get back now? Yeah, I think we should get back. Kids crossing my laboratory. Let's see them. Hey, you kids! What's going on? Bruh, you look like Elaine's grandpa. I don't know who Elaine is. Like, bruh. If you don't know her, try and guess her name. Elaine McClune. So you do know her? No, I'll leave you guys alone, please. Okay, boy.
Some kids bullied me. Well, I'm like an 8-year-old crying on the streets.
What was that about? I don't know. Roxy, I'm sorry what I did to you. It's fine, Ilana. You too, Ilana. They are now. See? I'm always good at apologizing. I guess you're right. You can play Family if you like. Oh my god, yes! Woo! Oh my god. See? Now she likes you. Oh! I can't believe your dog likes me now. And Comania. Now go along. Bye-bye. Dude, that thumbnail was hard work. Seems like it's the end of the video now. Okay, Novalings. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please give a like, subscribe, and turn on post notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos that Nova make, and they're really good. Yep, and we'll see you in another video. Until next time, Cub Crew. And yep. Bye, guys. Bye.
And also JJ in the